What's up guys, back with another video. It's been a long time. Kind of back to stock right now. It just has some winter wheels. It's actually July, so those have been meaning to come off. But yeah, today we are prepping for Sevens Day tomorrow. So we have to transform the whole car. This car is getting wheels, coilovers, new trunk. It's just Sevens Day prep. It's kind of crunch time because it's 10:21. At work tomorrow in the morning. I'm gonna start with the back. I'm gonna do the coilovers and the wheels. Those of you that follow me on Instagram already know what wheels are going on. These wheels were on before. I think they look really good. Guys, what we're throwing on for coils is some BCs. We got them for a good deal last year in the summer, or 2 years ago maybe. Alright guys, the rears are almost all the way in. I'm hoping that when I put the wheels on, it's not too low, because I don't really want to adjust it. Alright guys, last side. We are trying to make it fast so we can put these wheels on. And yeah, but it's going swell. For the passenger side, at least what I'm doing is I took off the 3 bolts on the top right here. That holded it to the strut tower. Now I'm doing the lower bolt for the strut. Strip the fuck out of it, that's cool. This side is a little bit more tricky where you have to take off the upper control arm. So off this goes. Carefully you don't scratch the paint. I'm trying to get this out. Nice. And what I usually do, just from experience with the NA, there's this rubber gasket, and apparently it helps with vibration. So, whoops, don't lose it. I don't know how this little piece of plastic does, but it should help with vibration. And also just because I'm a stickler of stuff like that. So get it in without scratching the paint. Coil in up top first to hold it steady. Alright, with one of these bolts. These bolts back in for the upper control arm. I actually don't think you can do it without taking these bolts out. I'm not sure if anyone has been successful in doing so. I definitely don't think you can take out the stock strut without taking these bolts out. But sometimes the long way is the right way. So if you look here, the bottom point of the coilover does not reach the bushing of the control arm. So if you can hold it up, you can do that, but what I like to do is take the jack, put it under the control arm, jack it up just a little bit to where it'll align, and that looks like it'll meet once you push over. Not usually supposed to be this tough, but like I said, we just accidentally stripped it, but it'll work for the time being. Later on, I'll definitely replace this hardware, whereas now it is, after this use, no good. These up. Don't snug them up too much, because the studs can strip or break off. Now come down here and do the control arm and you're done. Now, I gotta just dig the wheels out, so give me a second. Yankee Evolution RS. These are a 17 by 8 plus 38, but they're a 4 by 114. So I'm using 25mm spacers. So really like plus 13. So first we put the spacer on. It's important that you torque them down. We'll do 85. You do not want these things falling off, guys. Dang, your car looks good. Yo, that shit looks so good.